So what I said in the last press conference, I said, if you're looking for negatives about my players, you won't find. You won't find. I have two responsibilities. The first responsibility I have for the club, protect Mamelodi Sundowns, number one. Number two, I have to protect my players. I have that, and those are two very important responsibilities. What I will say, and I will say this in a coachless situation. Not, I say it as before I'm a coach, I'm a human being, and before they are players, they are human beings. And so we have to be very, very careful sometimes not to go in the side where we affect the person only because we are targeting the professional. Very important. And I don't want to go into too much detail into it, because at the end of the day, things that happen in the club are for the football club to deal with. And there are so many internal things that happen at every single football club. And it becomes very important for the football club to protect not just the professionals, including myself, but also the human being. Because like in corporate, and like in every other job, no one's perfect. And so that imperfection must come with also the acceptance that people will have my back, and people will have, in my moments where I act as a human being, where I have more weaknesses than strengths, I have more mistakes than good moments. In those moments, I have to know, and that's where I am, that I am there for the players. But it will never be at the expense of the football club.